I am so excited to walk you through this dashboard. Just a quick little preview of it. This is not the whole official walkthrough, but all the things that you can do in here are easy to access. This is like the main dashboard page. But also to the left, there's all this navigation so you can plan out your content with your content ideas and your content pillars and your funnels and so beautiful. You can manage your content. So once you've already planned it, you can manage and check all your platforms, see what things you have to do for the week, check your analytics, best performing content, like all the things. Your marketing and sales strategy will now have one place with your OKRs, your objectives, your results that you're looking for, your buyer personas, looking gut. All your marketing campaigns. You can do your market research, including your SWOT analysis and your competitors analysis. I mean, what does this thing not have? You can have all your brand guide information. It's so beautiful. Your brand assets can all go in one place. Your brand messaging can now go in one place. All of the things. Anyway, I am really excited to put this out. I have worked my ass off over the last 2 days while Liam wasn't home with me. So I think this will come out on Tuesday, but I just wanted to show it to you in case you're excited and wanted to know what it was looking like. I showed you a little busted ass version of it before it started looking good, but this is more of how it's going to look with my branding and how I want it to look for you guys. So anyway, tell me if you're excited. Just reply to, you can just drop a comment below this Loom video and tell me if you're excited about it. It just would make my heart melt and make me so happy. Thank you.